Students of class 9 advanced maths exercise 5.2. In the earlier video I have done up to uh, question number 1. I have completed the question number 1. Now I am going to question number 2. See the question number 2. If a and b greater than 0, that means a and b are positive numbers, so that a plus b by 2 is less than equal to root a square plus b square by 2. Now see, we know this is question number 2. We know that a minus b the whole square is greater than equal to 0. So a square minus 2ab plus b square is greater than equal to 0. Now what I am going to do is that, you see, I am going to make slight arrangement, that is, instead of a square I am going to write 2a square minus a square and minus 2ab. Instead of b square I am going to write say again, write 2b square minus b square greater than equal to 0. Now you see 2a square and plus 2b square, and the remaining, I send the remaining terms to right side, that is greater than equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now see, in the question it is divided by 2. See, divided by 2. So for this I am going to divide this both side by 4. 2a square plus 2b square by 4 greater than equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square by 4. Implies that, implies that, implies that, implies that. Now here you see that, here you will see that now 2 common, a square plus b square by 4 greater than equal to a plus b the whole square by 4. This 2 cancels out. Now I am going to take square root both sides, square root both sides, square root a square plus b square by 2 greater than equal to square root a plus b the whole square by 4. This comes out to be root over a square plus b square by 2 greater than equal to a plus b by 2. So this can be written as like this. This can be written as implies that a plus b by 2 less than equal to root a square plus b square by 2. This is proved. This is proved. Now there is one more question. Under what condition this inequality will be equal? This inequality will be equal under what condition? So let me do this for you. Under what condition? So under what condition? So inequalities will be equality. That means they will be equal. So a plus b by 2 equal to root over a square plus b square by 2. Now squaring both sides, we get a plus b by 2 the whole square is equal to a square plus b square by 2. So here we get a plus b the whole square by 4 is equal to a square plus b square by 2. Now this 2 cancels out. So a plus b the whole square is equal to 2a square plus 2b square. Now I am going to open this. Here implies that, implies that, implies that. I am going to open this by the help of the formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is equal to 2a square plus 2b square. Now I'm going to bring these two terms towards left side. So a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2a square minus 2b square equal to 0. So here this and this and this, minus a square plus 2ab minus b square equal to 0. So minus common, it becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 0. So this becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 0. So this becomes a minus b the whole square equal to 0. So I can write here implies that a minus b equal to 0. So a equal to b. This is the condition. Under this condition, these two inequalities will be equal. Under this condition, when a is equal to b, under this condition, this inequality will be equal. So the second question is over. Now I am going to the third question. The third question here, see, it is given that a is greater than b and a plus b greater than 1. We have to show that a square minus b square is greater than a minus b. So question number 3, it is given here that a is greater than b. Therefore, a minus b is greater than 0. And second, it is given that a plus b is greater than 1. We have to prove that a square minus b square is greater than a minus b. I applied the same technique as I have told you, that I will do like this: a square minus b square minus a minus b. Now a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b minus a minus b. So between these two terms, here a minus b is common. The remaining terms left is a plus b minus 1. So now you see that a minus b is greater than 0. See, you see that a minus b is greater than 0. And a plus b is greater than 1. A plus b is greater than 1. So I can easily say that this is greater than 0. So this, as this is greater than 0, therefore I can conclude that a square minus b square is greater than a minus b. This is proved. This is proved. Now I am going to question number 4. Now I am going to question number 4. Now I am going to question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. After I am going to question number 4. So question number 4. Going to question number 4. So see, question number 4, that is, if a is not equal to b, we have to show that a plus b into 1 by a plus 1 by b is greater than 4. Now see how I am going to proceed. Now you see, we know that a minus b the whole square is greater than 0. We know that. So a square implies that a square minus 2ab plus b square is greater than 0. Now I can write this like this, that is a square plus b square greater than 2ab. Now again I am going to add 2ab both sides. A square plus b square plus 2ab greater than 2ab plus 2ab. So this becomes a plus b the whole square greater than 4ab. Now this I can write as a plus b into a plus b greater than 4ab. Now see the question. Here we require 4. Since we require 4, we will keep the 4 on the right side and move AB towards the left side. And therefore, A plus B into A plus B by AB is greater than 4. So, now I am going to write this like this. A by AB plus B by AB, this is greater than 4. So, A plus B, this is 1 by B plus 1 by A, this is greater than 4. So, see here, I have proved it. So, see this, I have proved this, it has been proved. Now, from this part, this is question number 4a. Now, from this, the B, it is given that not given. We have to. It is given that if the sum of two number is 1, what is the least value of sum of their reciprocals? Least value. So, see least value. One thing I have to do to find the least value. The process will be the same process, but one thing I have to do, that means I have to, for question number B, I have to move in this, the same pattern, but see A minus B, the whole square is greater than equal to 0. See here, since in the question it is greater than 4, there is not, equal is not given here, it is greater than 4. So I was bound to take here greater than 0. Now in the second question, that is B, the least, it requires the least value. So for the least value, I have to apply greater than equal to 0. Now from this again the same procedure it will go on. A square minus 2AB plus B square B square greater than equal to 0. So I will write this as 2A square minus A square instead of A square minus 2AB plus instead of B square I will write it as 2B square minus B square greater than equal to 0. So now 1 minute. There is a slight mistake. See, I will write this as A square plus B square greater than equal to 2AB. So again adding 2AB both sides, A square plus B square plus 2AB greater than equal to 2AB plus 2AB. So here again this will become A plus B the whole square greater than equal to 4AB. So this will be, I can write this like this, A plus B into A plus B greater than equal to 4AB. So I can write this like A plus B by AB, this is greater than equal to 4. So this will become A plus B bracket 1 by A plus 1 by B, this will become greater than equal to 4. So if A plus B is 1, it is given in the question, sum of the two number is 1, that is A plus B is 1. So it becomes 1 into 1 by A plus 1 by B greater than equal to 4. So implies that 1 by A plus 1 by B greater than equal to 4. So the least value will be, will be how much? 4. So the least value will be 4. The answer is 4. So here I have done this for you, this question 2. The least value of the sum of their reciprocal. This is sum of their reciprocal is how much? It is 4. Question number 4, C. see 4c, question number 4c. We have to prove a square plus b square by 2 greater than equal to a plus b by 2 the whole square. I will apply the same technique which I applied here in question number 2. I will apply the same technique. So see how I am going to solve this problem. First of all, we know that this a minus b the whole square is greater than 0. See, here since it is given greater, so I have taken greater. If it was greater than equal to, then I would have taken greater than equal to. Now, a square minus 2ab plus b square, it is greater than 0. Now, instead of a square, I am going to write 2a square minus a square minus 2ab plus, instead of b square, I am going to write a 2b square minus b square greater than 0. So, here 2a square plus 2b square, the rest of these terms I am going to send to the right side, which will become a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now what I am going to do, I am going to divide the both side by 4. So 2a square plus 2b square by 4 is greater than, this will become a plus b the whole square by 4. Here see 2 common, a square plus b square by 4 is greater than, I can write this as a plus b by 2 the whole square. This 2 cancels out. So a square plus b square by 2 is greater than a plus b by 2 the whole square. So see, I have proved here. This is a square plus b square by 2 greater than a plus b by 2 the whole square. Proved. Now see, question number 4, C part 2. Here part 2, it is given that 4C part 2. It is given that if a plus b equal to 1, then we have to prove that then a plus 1 by a the whole square plus b plus 1 by b the whole square greater than 25 by 2. 25 by 2. Now, to prove this, there is a link between the link with the first question. This, in order to prove this, we have to take the help of this formula, which will, to prove this, we will use this statement as a formula. We are going to use this statement as a formula. So we are going to use this statement as a formula. That means here it is given a square plus b square by 2 is greater than a plus b by 2 the whole square. So here what I am going to do, this a plus 1 by a the whole square plus b plus 1 by b the whole square, this I am considering this as the whole, this as a, and whole this as b, So a square plus b square by 2, this is greater than a plus b, a plus b by 2 the whole square. See, again I am telling you, in order to prove this, we will take the help of the above statement. That means this above statement will work as a formula for this. This above statement will work as a formula. That is, a square plus b square by 2 is greater than a plus b by 2 the whole square. Therefore, I am considering this as a square, and this is b square by 2. It is greater than, this is a plus b by 2 the whole square. So now this becomes a plus 1 by a the whole square plus b plus 1 by b the whole square by 2 greater than, I can write this like this. See, I can write this a plus b and plus 1 by a plus 1 by b the whole square, the whole square, the whole square by 4. I can write this like the above statement like this. This is, you see, this is up to this bracket. Let's go. Means 2 is inside the bracket. 2 is inside the bracket. Now 2 square is 4, which I have removed from the bracket. Now this 2 and 2 cancels out. So it becomes a plus 1 by a the whole square plus b plus 1 by b the whole square greater than, now see, here it is given a plus b is equal to 1. So a plus b is 1. Plus now here we have find we have found this, the least value of sum of the reciprocal, the least value of sum of the reciprocal, which was 4. We have found it out. So the least value of the sum of this reciprocal, it is 4, the whole square by 2. So again, a plus 1 by a the whole square plus b plus 1 by b the whole square greater than, this is 5 square by 2. So a plus 1 by a the whole square plus b plus 1 by b the whole square is greater than 25 by 2. 25 by 2. 25 by 2. Implies that, implies that, implies that, implies that. See, I have proved it. Here see, a plus 1 by the whole square plus b plus 1 by b the whole square greater than 25 by 2, which I have proved it. This is proved. Now question number 5. Here see, question number 5. This a, b, c greater than 0. What does this mean? A, b, c greater than 0. That means they are positive quantity. Now 5, question number 1. A square plus b square plus c square. We have to prove that this is greater than equal to ab plus bc plus ca. I have told you earlier, the only technique I use here, that is the technique I use, if say a minus b is greater than 0, then we can conclude that a is greater than b. I use this very technique. This is a very simple technique to prove any such type of statement. So what I am going to do here is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now see, one thing here. Some arrangement I am going to make. Say this: 2 by 2 a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now this will be equal to 1 by 2 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Now see, 1 by 2. Here there are 2a square, 1a square minus 2ab square, and I am taking 1b square from here. Now 1b square is left minus 2bc and 1c square. Now 1c square is left minus 2ca and 1a square is left, a square. So 1 by 2, now see, this is a minus b the whole square. this is b minus c the whole square, and this is c minus a the whole square. So all these are squares, so this is greater than 0, greater than equal to 0. So the above statement I have proved. So therefore I can say that a square plus b square plus c square greater than equal to ab plus bc plus ca. Proved. Now your second question is this: 2a square plus b square greater than this. So I am going to apply the same technique. This is very easy for you. You apply this only one technique: a square plus b square minus a bracket a plus 2b. So this will be equal to 2a square plus 2b square minus a square and minus 2ab. So this will be equal to a square, this is a square, and minus 2ab plus 2b square. So a square minus 2ab, 2ab I can write like b square plus b square. So this will be equal to a minus b the whole square plus b square. So this, you see, this is greater than 0. Therefore I can conclude that a 2a square plus b square is greater than a into a plus 2b. Proved. See, I made a slight mistake here. Let me do this sum again. I have made a slight mistake here. This here said it is b square. I wrote here 2b square. I made a slight mistake here. Let me do it again for you. I made a slight mistake for you. Here see, 2a square plus b square minus a square minus 2ab. So this will be equal to a square. This will be equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this will be a minus b the whole square. This is greater than 0. So I can conclude that therefore 2a square plus b square is greater than a bracket a plus 2b. I can conclude this is proved. Now again going to question number 3. See, I am going to question number 3. Here we have to prove that a by b square, see, a by b square plus b by a square greater than 1 by a plus 1 by b. So I am going to apply the same technique: b square b by a square minus 1 by a minus 1 by b. So I am going to take the LCM. What will be the LCM? That is a square b square. So here b square cancel out. A square and a cube. Similarly this will be b cube minus this will be a cancel out. So here a cancel out, that will be a b square. 1b cancel out, this will be a square b. Now what I can do here, let me see what I can do here. A cube plus b cube, here I can write this as minus a b common, so b plus a by a square b square. Now a cube plus b cube, formula of a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square closed minus ab, b plus a, now a square b square. So let me write this again. above, that is equal to a plus b. I am writing the same part again. A square minus ab plus b square closed minus ab b plus a by a square b square. So see what I am going to do here. These two are the terms. So here a plus b is common. A square minus ab plus b square minus ab by a square b square. So this is a plus b. A square, this will become minus 2ab plus b square by a square b square. So this will be a plus b, a minus b the whole square, a square b square. So this is greater than 0. So I can conclude that, what I can conclude? That a by b square plus b by a square is greater than 1 by a plus 1 by b. Proved.